Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uno ilam kaliang persya Dr.Mukul sangma ulajannya Khluit perumin diramba ka jelau Conrad ki sangma. Hangga Jingïatai halo kamat ke bede ba ke Tura Medical College ya ke bawa Dr.Mukul lawan ra ya ke ni kamat hayin darbar halo ke jingtmu ke sarkar ban IT no ya ke Tura Medical College segi company bikin penyat ya ke bawa loong bagi ba ki persya ya ke jingtmu ke sarkar. Ye kijingkeran bagi jingkeli jong Dr.Mukul la jubab da ke menteri jong ngatna ke kakya ke Dr. Mazel Amrin Lingdo berhadi mela jubab maka la yang menjubab yang do menteri ramba bat namar ke jubab ke jong palat Dr.Mukul la yang ban ong barian penkut no ye gani Jingïatai hendu Conrad ong bahaba Dr.Mukul ukuran berok kisngam berhaba uru jubab Dr.Mukul ru udiban sengam. Hindi hadeng kini ru lami ke jinga pininya biang hapadeng kini arngut hakabo Conrad lageng hakapor badang ke Dr.Mukul banong bolak ta cakamat ke bamdesyo. Hindi hakabo kut bero arngut kira jai ban keren benkut ya kani kamat.
Mr. Speaker, sir. In fact, when I wanted to make my submission, the Honorable CM wanted to supplement through his clarification. I'm grateful and thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister as well. And also, I would like to profusely thank Minister in charge, Health and Family Welfare, for having been very elaborative in the whole reply. In fact, it is not something that is not within the domain of our knowledge. Yes, like what Honorable CM has rightfully referred to. We know the constraints. We know the challenges, but have we explored all the possibilities? That is one thing. And another thing is that let us not go only by what is in circulation in social media. I think there may be some sources which may be circulating certain kind of information, but that is where we need to be more cautious. Because this particular project, again, we have to also look at the background of the project which was conceptualized and how it has been referred to. We were confronted by unprecedented challenges of lawlessness, terrorism. And after the suspension of operation in 2004, we expected that we will be able to put an end to this whole problem of lawlessness. But somebody left, somebody deserted, established another, which was then notified as a terrorist organization by the government of India. The GNLA came out. Somebody from NBC ran out. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, these are concerns. On the basis of that, what we tried to do was that, okay, whatever is the perceived gap in the developmental aspects will be taken care of, and medical college is one of them. We told them that, look, we are already doing this. Look, we are already doing this. Thereby ensuring that we are not somehow subjected to kind of an unforeseen derailment of this whole peace process, and we were able to achieve.
Because sir, I thought that Elo wanted to talk about other things also. Now he's also started to
to
go on.
I have to
then I will have to
background.
also, sir. I also have to reply, sir. After that, I'm just giving.
So here
message,
in this tax settlement,
so I will take my time to reply.
This is reflected. I think CM will have the copy of this, and Honorable Health Minister also should have this copy. These are background. How we restored peace, how we ensured confidence, instilled confidence and trust to have a sustainable peace. Therefore, the background is also required to be understood. Therefore, challenges notwithstanding, let us discuss, let us find out. But then, the background is also very important, and therefore, I would like to urge upon the government to see that the original objective of establishment of this medical college is given due weightage, and let this whole objective be not derailed. Yeah, so all these things are important, and how we explore all other ways and means of getting faculty members. We have to put together our heads and then see that we overcome this challenge.
So as mentioned, sir, by the Honorable Elo, that all the options, he just mentioned that we should have explored the option of increasing the age limit. We have already done it. We've already increased the age limit to allow the doctors to be able to continue their service, because the number of doctors is less. So we are exploring every possible options. I even mentioned, I think Honorable Minister mentioned that we also have explored the option of talking to not-for-profit hospitals to engage with us, to help us and support us so that we can make this functional. They have denied. We have spoken to our own doctors and asked them that would you be willing to come in and join us, to run this medical college, and most of them have denied. So that is the kind of situation we face. We've done our homework in the last 3 years. But yet, sir, we are not going to say that we're going to stop. We will continue to engage. We'll continue to find options. We'll be happy to explore what it is. And the last point, sir, which I wanted to mention about the hospital aspect, which Honorable Elo had mentioned, is that is exactly our point, sir. Today, if this comes up as a government college, now, for example, if Shillong Medical College is there, so the civil hospital will remain to be continued to for as long as possible. So therefore, the question of us putting up a new hospital from the government expenditure as of now doesn't arise, because we will not have that kind of resources immediately to build up a completely new hospital. So therefore, in Tura also, if we do not have this hybrid model, the referral hospital will continue as civil hospital and MCH. We will not get a new hospital, we will not get new manpower there. The doctors who are there already teaching in medical college will continue to be working in the civil hospital, and that system will continue. So the question of a larger hospital coming up will not arise because the funds are not
that
there.
Provision I have already said during my submission, it is there.
No. This is more becoming like a, I don't know, this is not a short duration discussion anymore.
Provision
Sir,
is there.
they made it long, sir. I have to also reply
This
long.
provision
sir.
is there. That's why I'm telling
Sir,
you.
the provisions, sir, we are going to explore all provisions. I'm not saying we're not going to explore, but it's not as simple as just simply saying that, these provisions. So therefore, there are complications. And as I said, we're happy to engage in this. But I am again reiterating, sir, we have got a huge challenge of manpower, and that is really the biggest challenge in front of us. And I'll be happy if we can get suggestions on how we can move forward.